As an owner or project manager of a commercial construction company, you know how difficult it is to keep track of all the project data, documentation, and requests, and to ensure clear communication and collaboration between teams and locations. You need a solution that allows you to manage entire projects in one place so you can save time and money and deliver outstanding results. Introducing TriBuild Construction Management, construction project management software built by contractors for contractors, specifically designed to fit the needs of today's commercial specialty contractors. TriBuild Construction Management gives you complete insight into your projects at any time, from anywhere and on any device. To make your job easier, we've designed a solution that provides report automation, facilitates project organization, increases efficiency, saves time, and improves communication between everyone involved in the project. TriBuild Construction Management. Contractor software built by contractors for contractors. Click the link below or request a free demo to learn more.